Track123 order tracking upsell Shopify app tutorial. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you one of the best apps that you can use to set up the tracking, also set up the app sales into your Shopify store. So this app is going to be named Track123 order tracking. So it is going to be right there. So we are going to have the name of it. Put it into the search section, just like that. You're going normally to find the app. If not, click on search in Shopify App Store. Wait for it to appear, and here we have it. So this app, it have a humongous number of reviews, and all of these reviews are very positive and also very, as you can see, let's say trust gaining. So we have a 4.9 rating app with more than 4,000 reviews, and it is going to be very well known. So this app is going to be, as its name said, it is going to be a tracking for orders, as you can see. Also, we can go ahead and have a page for the package location, the tracking details. It is going to work for the mobile version of your Shopify and also the desktop ones. You can have a order number or a tracking number to track the order of the customers. You can go ahead and reduce, as you can see here, the repetition of the events or the more frequent questions from the customers for having their package, let's say here, lost, or I don't know here. We're not going to suppose that it is going to be lost, but basically we're going to say that it has some problems. So it is going to be something like that. This is the reduce where is my order question, as you can see. So we are going to have the estimated delivery, as you can see, the notifications on, and etc. Every store, I mean every online store or an e-commerce business is going to need an order tracking app. And from the best of them, this is it. So we are going to install this app. They have a free plan available and also a free trial. You're going to have it right there. Also, I have forgot to mention that we have said that it has a upsell system. Yes, we have it. As you can see, we are going to have the, you may also like, as you can see, table or widget installed. So you can go ahead and reorder, make the, let's say here, the customers reorder or have some good ideas about new products and etc. I'm going to install the app real quick. It is going to be right there. I'm going to pin it to the navigation because we need it and we do not want to lose the sight of it. So it is going to be a welcome message. So we are going to start the journey. So you're going to have a dropshipper mode, as you can see, or maybe something else. If you're going to be a dropshipper, go ahead and say that I am dropshipper, and you're going to find everything right there. You can have here a quick guide, and also they have created for you a page that will help you out to check up the, let's say here, the tracking and etc. This is the page. It is going to be linked to our page right there. So, or the website. We're going to have it from here. You can view the plan, as you can see, or customize the page. So we're going to customize it. For example, we can go ahead and have the customization by clicking on customize. We have the traditional and also we have the modern one. As you can see, I'm going to set up the modern maybe. You can set up the tracking information. As you can see, the map coordination, the Google Translate widget if needed. You're going to show it. You can set up some HTMLs and CSS customization if you're going to be a, let's say, a master of these, or know a little bit about coding. You can go ahead and use that for customization. You can have some SEO optimization, additional text, and etc. We have also the shipment review widget, so I'm going to show it. And also you can have a rating icon to collect the reviews. I'm going to set up everything right there. Now I'm going to refresh that page and see the new, as you can see here, thing. So we're going to copy that link. I'm going to show you how we can add it to our navigation, because from here we're not going to have it into the navigation. If I visit my store, we do not have track my order. So we are going to head over our store. We are going to head over the online store. We're going to head over the menu. Normally it is going to be from here. Let's see here, pages. I'm not going to have the pages right there, but let's see. Going to have the content. Click on content. The menus, they have, as you can see, dispatched the menu from the online store. It is okay, so we are going to select the main menu. Now we're going to add an item, have the link pasted right there, like that. I'm going to put the label track my order, just like that. Click on save, and boom. Now I'm going to take a look to my store, and normally we're going to find it here. So after a few refreshes, we're going to find it. It is going to be right here. So this is the page. So we need it right there. This is the place, the right place of it. We can have a tracking number, an order number, or also an email or phone, and they are going to have the things written right there. So for example, like that, you're going to track it, and then you're going to find it. So that was for the page, or the installation of the page. Now you can edit the URL or view it at any time, as you can see. Also modify the favicon of it if you want. And now I'm going to be back to the, now as you can see, the dashboard of the app. Now you can have the exceptions, the failed attempt, the pending, and etc. You can have the plan of yours right there. And also it is going to give you all the statistics of each one of the operations that have been, let's say here, programmed or dedicated within your store. You can have here the ratings. You can have also a affiliate program to join to get a referral points or money, and etc. Now aside from that, you can, as you can see on the app itself, you can customize or visit the tracking page and customize it, create a new one if you want. You can set up the translation of it. You can see here or control the orders if you're going to have some orders right there, and check these orders, and you can go ahead and set up the fulfillment of the orders. You can also check the tracking of the order right there on the view. You can click on page here and track that order. For example, I don't know, you can go ahead and type in the phone number or the email and track your order. Set up the notification, because as you can see here, you're going to set up these notification to your customers and also yourself. So basically you need to upgrade your plan to get the feature, because it is going to be a paid feature, as you can see. Now for the analytics, which is going to be having the charts, the times, and all the calculation and analytics that you need. We have the add-ons, as you can see, which is going to be the upsell. So you can go ahead and put a product review. You can go ahead and enable that. You can install the app of Judge Me and import some social proof from AliExpress, Alibaba, or whatever website you want. You can also have some eBay products. If you're going to have the same product on eBay, maybe you're going to be a dropshipper or something like that. So you can have also the Apple order tracking. So you're going to upgrade to a new plan, and etc. So here we have the estimated delivery time. You need to upgrade it, of course. This is going to be something that you're going to need to add. For example, if you're going to be a new, not a new, but the customers would like to see those things. Basically, if you're going to have the expectation of the dates, they're going to be glad. And also, you're going to be okay and all right if you're going to have this option added, because the more options and also the more widgets that you're going to have, it is going to be very pleasing to the customers. Now, let me show you the plans that we are going to have in this app. So basically, we are going to have a free plan, which is we are right now. We have the growth plan, which is going to be the most used one. because they have the integration of PayPal and Stripe integration, Google Analytics, shipment data, export, ROI analytics, and etc. We have $9 per month. Also, we can have the recommended or the advanced one for $49 per month. This plan is going to be recommended for a little bit of an advanced seller. So if you're going to have or you're making profits right there, you can go ahead and use it, because a $49 or $50 per month is going to be nothing considered the amount of money that you're going to have from the monthly benefits that you're going to make. So as you can see, they have on the advanced one the Klaviyo integration, which is going to be something very cool, because Klaviyo is going to be an email marketing campaign creator, or the best one in the market. This and also MailChimp, they're going to have a very good, well done job made to the customers by sending SMS and also email notifications and etc. Now heading back to the settings, you can set up some integration settings like the PayPal, Stripe, Klaviyo, and etc. Also the general settings like the tracking links, fulfillment events, dropshipping mode. You can have some, for example, dropshipping carriers into carrier matching rules, display destination address map, and etc. This is going to be specific, let's say here, dropshipping mode. Webhooks, you can go ahead and set up the token for the webhooks. You can go ahead and create some automations and etc. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you soon on the next one.